your deficiency order. Being around trees, being around running water, seeing the color green, which is chlorophyll, all of these things come with frequencies, and what these things does is it actually relaxes and it brings on something called the parasympathetic nervous system. So the sympathetic nervous system is what brings on cortisol, and what brings on adrenaline. These are all what they call your fear, fight, or flight chemistry and hormones outside the body that roam around in the body. Well, when you in nature, what nature does is it brings on serotonin, it brings on melatonin, it brings on oxytocin, dopamine. These are your happy chemicals and your happy hormone. I think the first place we should start